All right, so we're back with another review. This is a crochet set for beginners. So this was sent to me to go ahead and unbox and kind of show you guys what is in the contents of this, just so you know. So for all of the crochet people out there who are looking to start, let's look at this. They have detailed instructions that I'm going to show you step by step so that you can get this to go ahead and start your crochet journey. Okay, so let's open this. So we have some filling. We have the book that I'm going to go through in detail right now. You have 3 different colors of yarn. You have blue, yellow, and pink. It comes with a glue stick. It comes with scissors. It comes with a crochet hook size 2.5. Inside of here, you have a key ring. You have the stitch markers, this thing right here. You have the eyes. You have the yarn needles, which are these long things right here. So you have everything to go ahead and get started. So this entire kit is such a great kit, especially if you're a beginner like me. It gives you such detailed instructions and guide and pictures to go ahead and help you get started. And of course, it comes with everything you need just to make those tiny little octopus. So if you're looking for something to start, this is a great starting tool. In this instruction manual, you have everything. So you have what's included, then you have how to actually hold the crochet stick, how to actually hold the yarn. It gives you a step-by-step. Then it starts to give you all of the abbreviations, how to do a single stitch, how to increase. So as you can see, it's super detailed. You have pictures and you have text to go ahead and help you. Increase, decrease, a slip stitch, you have a double crochet, and it also gives you the acronyms, so like SL, DC, just so you know what it is, the abbreviations for each. And then it does give you this guide right here too, just so that you know what they're talking about sometimes. Then now you can go ahead and actually start to create like an octopus. So this is the steps for making the octopus. It tells you to go ahead and use the body. Then here's where all the acronyms come in. So if you're unsure about these acronyms, all you have to do is go back to this one page right here, and it gives you that detail of what all of the acronyms are. Then it continues. You can then make the octopus legs, and it does show you how it's supposed to be looking and where you are at each of those steps. And as you can see right here, it's giving you the acronyms. It's also counting for you so that you can keep track of how many stitches you actually need to make. So these were the legs. Now you have to do the mouth. It gives you a very, very helpful guide of making this. So this is the actual octopus that you will be making. So as you can see, it has the body and then you have a few legs. So it's a great guide and a great kit to go ahead and use. So especially if you are a beginner, so